YouTube video. Today I will be playing Elemental Tycoon and I'm nature. Nature. Haha. So guys, I start off with collecting my money at first a while ago. But this guy is letting his money grinding. This is not, I don't think crystals use green stuff, it looks like, to transform, because I was like, no way. He's using green stuff. You know you can just jump up here. But I want to see how my stuff is gonna look. How do I look? Oh, I'm an anime character. And I'm an anime character, but that doesn't says I'm nature. Oh, I'm a times base. This is times base. Who down here? Who down here? Ouch. So now I know what my transformations looks like. All I have to do is get my own. And I'm king of the hill. I don't know how. Guys, did you see what I just see? Did light just default? No. I want it. I want king of the hill. I want king of the hill. We're fighting over king of the hill, guys. Fighting over king of the hill right now. Ouchie, mean. Guys, put L comment for darkness. Put L comment darkness. Whoever's darkness, if you're watching this right now, you are L. Yep, I'm talking about you, darkness. We're in Roblox right now. If you're watching this, Thunder just got nuked. Money. That guy came out of nowhere. Wow. Guys, I was scared. I got scared. That guy popped out of nowhere. Wouldn't you got scared too, guys? That guy just popped out of nowhere. Don't have enough money for that. And I don't have Robux to buy. Christmas tree sword. Hell yeah, I want to see what this is. Hey, I am Santa, and I have the Christmas tree sword. I will chop you up and turn you into more. Hey, but wait a second. That rhyme. I'm what? I'm eminent. I don't know how to pronounce. Come here, boy. 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 Come here, right. Okay, I gotta leave. Bye. No, me and nature. Me and Earth are like the same, but we're not. Die! Ah, you gotta be ladies. Didn't see light out of the ladies. I forgot I played these games before. Oh, guys, like and subscribe if me and Andre should play Squid Games. If me and Andre should play Squid Games. Guys, Andre's not here. I think he's in his room sleeping because I'm in America with him right now. Yeah. And I'm not gonna wake up. Let's just there's the ladies over there. Ice Queen! Let's do this. She's one of the weakest ones. We can do this. Die, Ice Queen. No! She's stronger than us. Die! Die, Ice Queen! I can't die. Can't let this happen. Ouch! And guys, you saw what just happened. Guys, you didn't see what just happened. Ah! Money. It's mine. Lost all. Oh, I thought I had to lost. My life is probably low. Guess what? Woo! Earth abilities! Oop, no, no, I'm running away. Bone is attacking me. Bye. Bye, don't wanna die. If you run away, you're gonna die. Guys, guess where I learned that catchphrase from? Well, I kinda just said his name. You get it, guys? Ah! Oh, okay, I'm not funny. I'm gonna stop. I'm not funny, guys. Sorry. Sorry for my cringiness, guys. Bro, why me? Why me? Die! No, no, I'm not taking any disrespect in my house. Come here! A house that has droppers that can drop money. But die! Die! Sword, chop, 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 chop. Guys, help, 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 help. Help, 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 help. Chop, chop. Guys, I really need help. Like, this guy was beating me up. And I'm going in my transformer. I think we already know how we look, but I don't think we want to see how we look in here. We want him to see how we look. Or he's gonna die. Some of my stuffs are trash. I should have picked space. No, 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 no. I have played this game before. You cannot win. I have played these games before. And I'm very strong in these games. Chop, chop, chop. Oops, fell off my upstairs. I'm just gonna do one jump and go up there. Why is it so hard to go downstairs? Okay, I'm back downstairs and I'm getting money faster. When I rebuild, what can I upgrade? My life steal, speed, jump, and health. I think I'm gonna go upgrade my life speed after this. Think I can buy my next ability, but monies are more important. I'll buy you later. Gotta buy that money. Seriously. Bro! This guy is literally trying to kill me from my own base, and I had to run because my health is low. Come on. Just wait till I heal. Still got the money. Or die. You better run away. Run away, you're gonna die. Run away, you're gonna die. Martin? Oh, my pet is a fairy. Wow. I'm never be in nature ever again in this game. Like, this is so unacceptable. And the game probably know it's for girls and boys anyway. Fuck, this is... Bro! Can't space! Leave me alone! Space asked. You ask, you get. I'm not messing around with you, Tess. Tess like Johnny Tess. Yeah, I'm gonna stop. I'm not funny. Sorry, guys. But still, let me my new ability. Ass. Wow. My new ability is ass. What's that? No, I don't want to invite any friends in here. I think all my friends are sleeping anyway. I don't want to buy abilities. Guys, if you wanna, I know I wasn't gonna say I'll be in nature again, but if you want to see me reach the third floor, the third and final floor on nature on this account, please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.